As part of today's proceedings, the defense engaged in extensive voir dire, or questioning of the military judge, to determine his qualifications and reveal any reasons that may disqualify him from presiding over the military commissions. After a brief recess, the defense raised a challenge regarding the military judge's ability to serve as the military judge in this case. The judge denied the challenge, and the hearing continued.
I'm not sure actually of his whereabouts, his physical whereabouts, but he is.
I already gave you the thumbs up.
Come on, man.
Wait till I come. What about the exculpatory evidence?
Good afternoon. This is a process that is not designed to be fair. It's designed to produce convictions, and it is designed around a specific set of cases for the government to convict people based on evidence that it couldn't use to convict them in any other court. That's why we have military commissions. And so I don't expect a fair trial for Omar Khadr. And so to the extent that I can advocate for him in other contexts or other areas, to the extent that I can demonstrate the flaws in this process by working within the process, my ultimate hope is that Canada, like Britain, like Australia, like every other Western country, will finally do for Omar what they have done and recognize that this process in Guantanamo Bay is an affront to the rule of law, it's an affront to the protection of basic human rights, and they will take Omar home to face due process in a legitimate system. That's our ultimate hope. Comes from the fact that we're doing what we said we shouldn't do, which is proceed in the trial court while the legality of the process is on review in the appellate court. You know, Omar Khadr was 15 years old when he allegedly engaged in these events. If he were anybody else, we'd call him a child soldier, and we'd assume that if he did everything that he did, that he is deserving of recognition, as a child soldier. Rehabilitation, sympathy, compassion. We would try to reintegrate him into society. Because he is Ahmed Khadr's son, and because the United States government viewed him as an intelligence asset to be exploited, he did not receive that treatment. And so, now we're at a point where I think that fact, his status needs to be recognized. We think that there is room in the law to do that, and we're going to ask the judge to do that at some point, and we're going to ask the federal courts to do it at some point.